Hi there. Welcome to this tutorial on how to draw hair. My name is FAQ Fred, and in this video, we'll go over some tips and tricks to help you create realistic looking hair for your drawing. First, we need to start with the basic shapes of the hair. Hair can be drawn in many different styles, so it's important to figure out what shape you want your hair to be before you start adding details. Next, use guidelines to create the outline of the hair. These will help you shape and place the details of the hair in the right position. Now it's time to add some details to the hair. You can use various techniques to create texture or strands, such as hatching or cross hatching. To make your hair look more realistic, it's important to add shading. You can use different pencil shades to create shadows and highlights to give your hair more depth and dimension. Finally, clean up the lines. Add flyaways or wisps of hair to make it look more natural, and you're done. There you have it. Some tips and tricks on how to draw hair. With a little bit of practice, you'll be able to create beautiful, realistic looking hair for your drawings. Thanks for watching.